Everyone, I Divya from RPIIT campus is here to demonstrate about the Clevenger apparatus. This apparatus is the apparatus which is used to extract volatile oil from eucalyptus leaf. Today we are going to isolate oil from the eucalyptus leaf. Eucalyptus leaves, these are obtained from the fresh leaves of Eucalyptus globulus. We have done the small pieces of the eucalyptus leaves and then we have put it in the round bottom flask and we have poured some water in it. This method is water distillation method because water has been added with the leaves and they are kept for boiling at temperature 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Dear students, you have remember this thing, the temperature maintained should be 40 to 50 degrees Celsius because if you will increase the temperature, the volatile oil content will be decomposed. This is the Clevenger apparatus. It is round bottom flask in which water and eucalyptus leaves they are kept in it. The temperature is 40 to 55 degrees Celsius and this is condenser which is used for cooling of steam which is generated from the RDA and it is cooled over here and the oil and the water it will accumulated in this portion. Okay, you know that volatile oil is the oil which is volatile in nature. It has aroma and the oil it gets evaporated when it is kept under the room temperature. The volatile oil of eucalyptus it has less density, so it will be placed over upside portion and the water will be at the lower portion. Okay, but in some cases like clove or in cinnamon, the volatile oil of these drugs they are denser and they will be at the down surface of the water. The density will be more, so it will be at the heavier and it will be at the down level. In eucalyptus, the oil is less dense, it is lighter, so it will be at the upper side of the water. So this takes 3 to 4 hours for the isolation of oil. The oil from the eucalyptus leaves, it will go up with the steam and it goes from here and with the help of condenser. In the condenser, this is the inlet of the water and this pipe is for the outlet of the water. The steam will condense and it will be converted into the water. And the steam also has the content of volatile oil, right? So here volatile oil will be accumulated. So you know that volatile oil is very important for us. In case of eucalyptus, the volatile oil is used for respiratory tract infections. It is used to remove cough from our respiratory tract and it improves the clogging from the respiratory tract. So eucalyptus oil, it is available in market preparation, in Vicks vapor or whenever you take inhalers, it contains eucalyptus oil. So this was all about the Clevenger apparatus. Hope you have understood about how to isolate volatile oil with the help of Clevenger apparatus. So that was all about Clevenger apparatus.